If you're struggling with getting your Blink camera to connect to your Wi-Fi, boy, have you come to the right place. So this video is going to be how to set up your Blink camera. We're going to watch this setup together so I can kind of show you where things went wrong and then how I fixed it so I can actually connect the Blink doorbell camera to my Wi-Fi. So it's pretty easy to set up here in the app. You just click that plus sign. You start with a sync module, so you want to make sure that that's plugged in. And then you'll scan the QR code on that thing, add sync module, and sometimes you gotta scan it twice. Create new system, and then you can give it a name. I make mistakes trying to type home a few times, but eventually I get it. Okay, I do know how to type. Just click continue there. Discover device is what you want to click. Your doorbell camera should be blinking blue. The first thing that it'll do is it'll actually connect to its temporary Wi-Fi. You see there the Blink WSA4. And then it's going to try to connect to your home Wi-Fi. So you'll have to select your Wi-Fi out of a list here. Mine's called Fast Internet. So I click that, and this is where things go wrong. It never actually connected. So what I had to do is I had to actually log into my router. And I could only do this from the app because logging in directly didn't have the options that I'm looking for. So I clicked on Wi-Fi over here and then Wi-Fi details. You can see here that I already have 3 different bands, the 2.4 gigahertz, 5 gigahertz, and 6 gigahertz. So we're gonna just press the edit button down here just to show you that this is the setting that I toggled on, the split bands, and that's what you need to do so that you have both a dedicated 2.4 gigahertz and 5 gigahertz. That way when you go to connect to your Blink, the option you see there, Fast Internet 2.4, and you put in the password, and now you'll be able to connect to your Blink. It will connect no problem, because you have that dedicated 2.4 gigahertz. And that's the key piece there. That's what was missing. This is actually common for a lot of smart devices. So if you're ever struggling with connecting to a smart device, it's because you don't have that 2.4 gigahertz. It's updating firmware, so that tells me that it did connect. You can save the password here within the Blink app. And then now you can see that, sync module is connected. You can now click the plus sign and click on Blink Video Doorbell, which will get you connected to the doorbell itself. Time to scan that guy. You select the sync module that you want it to connect it to. If you have any trouble with that, you just have to take the batteries out, put them back in like it says over here, and then you just click continue, and it'll eventually add your doorbell over here. Now the mounting piece, I'm not going to go through that. It's super easy. It's just 2 screws that, and there's a plate that you screw into your outside wall somewhere, and then you just click in the doorbell camera, and that's it. You use a clip if you ever need to take it down. Yeah, you use a clip to pull the device off. And then now that you have everything synced up, it is absolutely working just like you want it. Hello over there. And we'll do a full review here because there's actually some really cool hidden features on this device that they don't really, it's not very obvious on how to find it. So that'll be another video in a couple of weeks. Thanks for liking and subscribing, and I'll see you next time.